Good afternoon. Welcome. Where are we? We are here. We are there. We are. Yep, there we go. So close everything, reopen everything. Clear that. Let's do a reload current project. We have 0 errors. Let's just run it, make sure it runs. Bit of odd behavior there. But anyway, that works. So I have 2 things I want to get done today if I can. I want to get at least one of them done, but hopefully both of them.
Yeah.
My camera's moved. Apologies. What's this? There we go. Right, so the 2 things I want to get done today. One is a mechanic for the mechanic, a back-end system for this, so that when you select anything, it says what is, stats, etc. It's also going to be usable for over here. Interesting, wall doesn't have a shader on it. Okay, it does. Well, that should be local scene for 1. Buildable. Let's go further back, so I know that that's set up properly. Material. Local resource. Starts off as transparent. Interesting. Why did the shade not work for that? Unless it is and you just can't see it. Right. Right, let's leave that aside, that's not important right now. Where is my game design document? 1 second. What have we got? I've got to get a load of like concept art over to Zero today. It's been quite rightly so bugging me to fetch it, to pass it to him, so I need to do that. Right. Yes, so I need to get the factory buildings done. So I was thinking 3 buildings for the jam submission. No, that's not scenes, this is scene. To the scene. Alchemy. Alchemy combiner. Scene. Alchemy dissolver. And alchemy transmuter. Well, they're all going to work pretty much the same way. They're going to take resources in, and resources are going to come out. So we want an animated sprite. We want area 2D, part of that. So the combiner is going to be a 64 by 64. And for now, Aiden. Let's open paint. By 64. Transparent background. I'm working on the combiner. We'll put that there. We'll do a pour of black. It's probably going to change. It's going to, not probably, it's going to change color. Then we want to make a copy. Paste that. That in the center. Then we want to select a smaller radius. Going to delete. And we're going to get a line tool. And change this to really shitty bronze color. Zero will be able to do a much better job at this than I am. This is just like quick. I've got a line coming out. Going there. Okay, let's make this too thick. And then we'll have from the center point here, Something like that. And let's make this grey. Or like that. Save this as combiner. So you should autoplay. And it's a 64 by 64. So we've got one. Gliding correctly. Then like for the animation that can spin or something. As I'll get this over to 0 along with everything else I'm going to sort out today on stream and then go from there. So that needs a script attached to it, which goes into... I don't know about looking good, but it certainly works. Extends resource buildable. There we want all of this. Sex 2. It's not sprite, it is animated sprite 2D. Yeah, you might want to make it so they appear quicker, because at least in the version I've got, that's a long ass wave for enemies that are a part of the same wave. But anyway, that's something that can be done afterwards, so I'm not too worried about that. Well, you're working on that, Lynn, so that's fine. Because you gotta remember, the slow guys just move slowly, they don't spawn slowly. If a fast, agile one spawns after a slow one, there is nothing wrong with it overtaking. We don't spawn them all, so you give them a little bit of delay, but just not not a massive gap. So if we play it and we go spawn, 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 or however many there are in the wave. Because that gap there, when I first switched onto this scene at the start, before this one appeared, it's like, is there only one enemy in this wave? Because that is far too slow, but... Right, so we have... Factory buildings. I will look at it after. I want to get a lot of this stuff sorted. Right, let's replace these with the buttons that Zero made. Change type. Texture button. Okay, I'll hold off then. Change you back. Base button. Button. Text would be arrow. Demolish goes down there, because if we've got multiple pages it just makes sense. Then we've got a button which is combiner. We'll add a button that is the resolver. It's probably not how you spell dissolve. It's going to bug me actually. Double S. Dissolver. And finally a third button for the transmuter. Okay, let's have a look. Fetch. Pull. UTS. Rip. I'm doing well, thank you. And that did not save any of my stuff. Alright, why does the combiner have a health bar above it? Why does the combiner have the wall on it? Okay, there we go. No idea why that was showing that. Yeah, Range Godot indeed. Right, anyway, these buttons, where are we at? Sprites. UI. So I want to add a child node Big texture button. Call this power button. Normal texture is a, what are the others set as? Compressed texture 2D. You know what? Let's clear that. And we'll just drag that in here. And we need to snip it. All of these ones done it. Or are these just using? Okay, that's using an individual button. Okay, I don't think you can actually use a sprite sheet for buttons. Okay, where? Because I can't see the option anywhere. And the other buttons that we have don't use it because they are just using the individual button. Nope, there is no region. So look, how to use sprite sheets with GUI widgets. Okay. Yes, you can. You just can't drag it in. So if we reset this, new Atlas texture, then we drag it into there, and we go. Is it? Yeah, you have to use an Atlas texture. Yeah. Okay. What's the size of this button here? Was that a second? 84 by 60. So I'm guessing the region should be 84 by 60. Let me just do it. Oh. These buttons are the wrong size. That means those are scaled down. Yeah, they are. So if we get the buttons and we shrink them by 60. Also, why is there a transparent dot at the bottom? Hang on. Layer image resize by percentage 60. By the way, we don't actually have corners for conveyors, so that's save that. Obviously, it's now different size. Hey, Stu. Where are we at? With no curves either. They just literally hang on, let me just sort this. No turn needed. No, it's not a Minecraft mod. It's an actual game. Actual video game. It's 50 by 36. 36. And that is wrong. Did I scale these wrong? Yeah, 33 is not right at all. What size do they need to be? But where are we at? Yeah. Transform. 60. It'd be there, wouldn't it? No, it's not a 2D scroller. I will show you in a minute. Let me just sort this button out. So 160 by 40. Question is, to resize that, you maintain aspect ratio, height 40. Save. And then we go to the Atlas. That'll be 60 by 40. Which is wrong. Why is that wrong? Oh, I get it. It's the size I said it, isn't it? No, 56. And so the transform. That. Although obviously it's not going to be that one. Button, barrel button. I'm guessing this is the barrel at the end here, Zero. The 10th sprite. To be honest, you're making more work for yourself than needed. You just need the button and then just make the icon in the center. So that's the demolish. I'll use the one at the end for now because it's uh, 504. Conveyor, demolish. Let's try changing the, actually no, I'll copy, paste. Back, not that far back. Under factory buildings still. Conveyor button. No, you didn't, Stu. I haven't got that yet. Are these buttons different sizes on the UI? They are. Interesting. Oh no, is it because I got... No, it's because I got that there. Move you out the way. Move you out the way. This one, which is conveyor, would be there. 392. Really? What? Really? Gotta be kidding me. Even someone set to local. Delete you. I mean, I have to make it from scratch. Right, anyway. So, yeah, Stu, we are making a hybrid tower defense factory building game. Which, if I run this, I haven't got much done here apart from my conveyors. Do work. And then you've got tower defense on this side with various different towers, etc. Still work in progress. Not quite done yet, but making good progress. Right, so I'm going to have to add a texture button. This one is conveyor button, where we add a new Atlas texture, drag it in the UI button, .56 by 40, and then this one will be 362. No, 392. There we go. All right, so where's the signal for this one? Disconnect. Connect. To on barrel pressed. Connect. It deleted all my code. No, it didn't. I connected it to the wrong place. Build ammunition. So we got a UI. Here we go. There we go. It's better. Conveyor button can be linked to user interface. Conveyor. So now I can delete these. And we'll add in a texture button for demolish. Which I will connect straight away. Connect. Delete that. Go back to the 2D. Demolish button. New Atlas. which is 56 by 40. And demolish is where is demolish? There, so that would be 112. And the demolish button can go there. Add another texture button. This one is combiner button, which I can add a connection, user interface, keep naming conventions, do that. Put this in, and this is Alchemy Combiner. And the image for this, because obviously you haven't done one yet, 0, because I haven't given you the what's it called for it. I'll just do a compressed texture, and I will drop in. Where are you? It's not going to be a document, there'll be a list. That's a different thing. There. No, I don't need white pixel. This one is 56 by 40. Right. Drop the scale down. Zero 0.5. 0. Actually, 1. Yeah, so that'll be 0.9. Close enough. 0.6. That'll do for now. Let's see if this works. It does not. Why does it not work? What did I mess up? Apart from that should be that. Oh, that's the script. I mean, that's still right. Let's just do that, but my scripts. Alchemy Combiner. So there's 2 animated sprite. Combiner. That's the default sprite. User interface. Right, so why can't I see it? Hang on, did I just see it there at the bottom and just in a messed up position? Yes, I did. Why has my building system crapped out? Okay, it hasn't. So why is it not working for that one? Where's walls? Sprite is set to the animated 2D sprite, size set to 2. I've not got it set as rotatable for the moment. Is there my stuff in here? I don't see what it would be. Nothing's moved. Isn't to the get origin. Shouldn't be. $1232 $655. Where's the evil dot? There you are. Visible. $1232. Catch you later, Stu. Alright, why is that towards 0. The area sprite does have an offset, which I haven't done with this one. That shouldn't make a difference. Do I need to just set this as top level? Is that the only thing I'm missing? Yes, it is. That's fine because there is no shader. That's fine. I just need to add the shader. Outline shader with that set to that. So now play. That's the second thing that shader's not worked on. It doesn't work on the walls either. And it's not that it doesn't work on an animated sprite, because this is an animated sprite. Oh. There we go. That's probably what's wrong with wall as well. Yeah, there we go. Battle, wall, place. No, the material goes on the root. That's fine. You just need to go into the sprite as well and say use parents. But to be fair, with the wall, it doesn't really highlight very well. But we can mess with those settings later. Right now, I want to get this working. But I need to go get a drink, so I will be right back. And I'm back. Right. So, combiner needs to be working. Basically just combines two sets of resources. So for that we need to define what resources we have. Conveyor as well. Resource buildable. Kind of nodes, isn't it? There we go. And buildable as well, just being. Yeah, so if it's conveyor, how best to do this? Got that. Go back to this. Good evening. Welcome in. Got a list of resource buildables as inputs. Don't want to alter my conveyor so that it puts the resource generator in. No. But I do need as an int and a consume rate. Gee, no, I don't want a consume rate. I'm afraid I don't speak German. Apologies. So produce rate of 1, so that'll be on the conveyor. Or a resource rate rather than produce. So on the combiner, just got door barrel. I don't think if I do a conveyor first, then add a store barrel there and there. And we go to my build manager. Put select there. Select this. Go into building, which is the conveyor. Yeah, is complete as false. Yeah, as is thick. So I need to alter that as well. That would be a on plate anyway, wouldn't it? But we are a resource producer. They're not processes. No, that's not what I wanted. So I need a place building. So we need to check if there is a conveyor facing away or facing. So check each of the 4 cardinal directions. to basically this. Oh yeah, that's right, I have to. So when we place a building, get the build manager, because I, for some reason I can't use the unique name in it. Then we do a 4 the in range. Oh. So we will have direction there, and then we're going to basically grab this. Match direction. Cell equals origin cell. Zero, 1, 2, 3. So basically each iteration of this loop will check a different direction. That should be right. Then after that, we need to get the buildings in that cell. Let's put a breakpoint down there for now. And we'll go conveyor, place, arrow, place. So 12. So there should be something in this cell. Which there is. There should be nothing in this cell. Yeah. Oh. Always forget to call super. So if building has conveyor not equal to null, we check the conveyor's direction. Building dots get orientation, isn't it? But if the orientation equals right. We set buildings from and we do building dot check if complete, or does it just check complete? Check for complete. We'll put the barrel down first. Then we'll put conveyors going there. Then we'll put a barrel there. Let's put a on select there. So carry us on and select this. Is complete as true. Carry this on. Well, let's make this a little bit more efficient. Adding a return there. Do I want to return? Can you draw can you have multiple conveyors drawing from a single barrel? Yes. No. Yes, because we haven't got splitters. So let's hit return out. We can always make this so you go use a splitter later on. So if D equals 0 and my keyboard is really starting to pee me off now. So D is 1, and if the conveyor is pointing up, no. Be down, wouldn't it? I'll check that. Actually, wrong. What was that on? And then that. The building. What's the orientation of building? orientation, which I believe is, yeah, it is. Two. Left. And up with a D of 3. Although this could be a continue.
Don't cry. Talk to me.
So now when you place down this stone barrel, it will check to see if it's connected to a conveyor. And if it is connected to the conveyor, it'll add the relevant to from. Actually, else elif if it's facing, you want to set the buildings 2. That works both ways now. All right. We don't need to check the diagonals because there are no diagonals. Okay. You know what? Let's leave the resources for a minute. Mostly because I'm not sure what resources we need just yet, so I need to think about that. Stats. You know what? Actually, I don't think I can actually get anything else, any more streaming done right now. I'm tired. I'm really tired, and concentrating on this and streaming is just a bit much at the moment. So I'm going to call my stream here, so I can get on with game stuff, because deadline is next week, or due date, should I say, not so much deadline. The due date is next week on Wednesday, so I've got 2 major systems to finish. So I'm going to end. Let's see. Tomorrow's stream should be as normal. That'll be. I am tired. I've been out in the garden all day, or most of the day anyway. Yeah, tomorrow's stream will be a Minecraft stream, assuming nothing comes up. So that'll be a nice change of pace. And then Thursday's stream will be a game of some kind, because as I said, the deadline is Wednesday, so by the time Thursday rolls around, it'll be done and handed and submitted. So thank you all for watching. Apologies for the short stream, but it just, yeah, I can't do any more. So I will catch you on the flip side.